guys, today we're unboxing UF03 Wizard Rod 570 disc ball. This is also a right spin stamina type. This is the instructions, and there is Wizard Rod. This is Wizard Rod's blade. It is very round, and it's the meta of stamina. This is 570. It has 5 contact points, and it's a middle height ratchet. This is disc ball. It's like just ball, except it has a huge disc around it. Bye bye guys.